Like I have to take a picture of it, huh?
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We are gonna be fishing at a waterfall. I
was gonna be sent to do something about homeless.
got Daniel and Chad back there. Chad's gonna be my cameraman and Daniel is just the other.
I don't know what I am. Am I a tree?
Yes, you're a tree. He's gonna be fishing too. I got a fly rod, also got a spinning rod, and we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. So let's get on with it. How are you doing, Daniel?
Well, I'm sweating so much over something so little.
All right. It's a little rainbow. Beautiful. I told myself I wouldn't do it, but I'm gonna put a worm on. Got one. Got a little rainbow. No, no, a little brown. All right, we got a brown. I don't know if this will count towards the trifecta because we caught it on a worm, but it's still a brown trout. You ain't catching this one.
No, I'm trying to catch you.
Beautiful. The way he goes. He's got one. Good job, Daniel. Keep him in the water until I get my camera ready. Because my cameraman's MIA.
Oh, it's so slimy underwater, but when it's out, it's not.
I was gonna get a picture for you. It's fine.
Yeah, I was trying to get him underneath that, but he keep on slipping out.
Yeah, he'll catch another one though. Yeah, one. All right, good. It was not in the gullet. It was just like on the very back side, so we got lucky. And buddy, most importantly, you got lucky. I really need to use some artificial. I don't really want to hook any more of these guys or use worms because I would prefer to release them. I prefer using artificial, but they just haven't been biting this morning. You have a fish?
Yeah.
The net's behind you there.
Oh, it's putting up a fight.
I got one too. Hey, you got a big one.
Oh, I did.
Mine came off.
Where is the hook? Okay, why did I got scared?
Nice. Well, there goes our fishing spot.
No, Willie?
And we are climbing back out. You guys ready?
No, I'm not ready.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. I see you back there. What do you think you're doing? Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're enjoying the video. Would have preferred to catch some of those trout on artificial lures, but they were down too deep and I didn't have stuff to go down that deep. But we'll be back down in a couple of weeks with some fly rods. What are you guys doing back there?
He's using me as a shield.
Okay. Anyways, we got somewhere to be, so I'm gonna say goodbye and we're gonna get on the road again. So, cheers.